you cook this? This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. Yeah, do it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. You know, so back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Where they are do it like every day, you see me? I'm from the Suey, so I don't know what go on. Reaction, people. Kitchen reaction. Remember what artists them people so them can do. You see me? Last week we have Shensi in our kitchen. This week, the Angel people, art female artists. Check out our thing them. You see me? So, remember, just continue watching the video. See what the Angel can do.
Hi, this is the Angel and I'm home and I'm about to prepare something, food, so we can eat, consume. Some people just, shrimp has to be cleaned up because you have this little black something in the middle of it that happens. What are you talking about? So you cut here so, and you take it out. Yes, yeah. All of them don't have it, but you have to check to see, to make sure.
Yesterday, people, basically she means that she have got vein the shrimp. Anyway, we'll go right back to another video.
I'm gonna add is Mistache, salt free. Not a lot. Pimento seed is a must, like gratitude. All purpose, this is for everything. Use 2 color sweet pepper to give it a little, flavor. Save that look. So make it more prettier. Then all of this together, kind of make it marinate a little bit and sit for a little while. Cutman pepper. So I keep them in the freezer because they last longer. Alright, I can't find the can opener, so here I go now. Opener, so here I go now. This I go on. Nice.
Yeah, people. Friend, you know them style. All true Jamaican remember this. Uncle Jamaican will understand that part here. You see me? We don't normally use can now, we just use one hand with knife. You see me?
I do the thing. It's vegetable, so I'm doing broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, just steamed vegetable. Since I forgot to feed a multitude from the start, we get some more stuff.
Oh my God! Wow!
Them ears, some can't cook and them running. I'm gonna look 1 foot, I come down a step. 2 foot, 3 foot, 4. I'm like, what's going on here, sir? Not gonna take long to cook. I give it about 10 minutes because
Yeah, so people, remember to comment down below. Rate the angel dish from 1 to 10 people. You see me? You're not afraid to comment how to prepare for one shrimp, how to think she had do so far, people. You see me? Shrimp in a coconut sauce. Yeah.
like when my shrimp is well done, I like everything well done. Make sure it's thick. You know about this?
What you know about this, people? You don't know about shrimp. You don't know about angel cooking shrimp. You don't know that. You don't know when angel have to cook it back them. Stay tuned.
You know about take up pot and shake around so.
You don't know about take up pot and shake around. What she say?
So that is that. Wash it till the water kind of get clear. Ish. Wash it like 4 times.
People much time wanna wash food and rice. So she wash it till the water get clear-ish. I don't know if I explain that part there. Clear-ish. You see me? I want to explain that part there, people. Clear-ish. No.
Original goat seal butter. You can pull up the glass. Remember they ever see me pour out drinks? I pull up glass, a problem.
Yeah, people. So, remember, rate the dish. Rate the dish, people. Rate the dish. I like how she present the dish, people. Garnish. Look nice, for real. Now go around nothing. See me? Come on. Yeah, we really like how she present the dish. So, yeah, man, something like that. Just comment down below and tell. Remember, before you comment down below, like this video, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend and another friend say the angel can cook good. You see me? So, real people. I like how she prepared the vegetable. Can't say it not overdone. It crunchy. Well, from looking at it, you see me, but I like how she prepared the vegetable. And you can say everybody enjoy the food, people. So remember, kitchen reaction, boss. That was the angel in the kitchen preparing shrimp and coconut sauce or coconut shrimp. Vegetable, steamed vegetable, and very old Jamaican national white rice. So remember, stay tuned for next week, people. And we'll see who I got in the kitchen, who I got appear Can be your favorite artist. Remember people no rate the angel, food, rate her, cooking. When the IR, around the married her or whatever, something like so. Take it from me, you see me? But when mood a rate her out of 1 to 10 people, on a big man level, I like how she prepare everything there so the shrimp, it no overdone. Although she said she like her shrimp well done. She know and shrimp. Everybody know about shrimp easy to cook. So she like her shrimp well done. I like the seasoning what she put in the coconut sauce. Then she put the shrimp. So me would have give her a 9 out of 10. The reason I'm not give her a 10 because I'm not get to taste it. So me can't give her a 10 and I'm not taste it. But 9 out of 10. Presentation wise, thumbs up. You see me? So as would I say, another day, another dollar out here like every day. And you know what they are? Put in the work and something like so, you see me? Remember, reaction, kitchen boss. People no stick a name because I don't know the name then already. Reaction kitchen boss. Something like so anyways. We'll see you the next week, Sunday. See who in the kitchen next people. So remember, like, share, comment, something.
Take a look at the world now.